In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sections in Weebly. It's a simple process that can greatly enhance the look and functionality of your website. So let's dive right in and learn how to streamline your site's content quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to log into your Weebly account. This step is as straightforward as it sounds, but it's the gateway to editing your website. Just head over to the Weebly login page, enter your credentials, and you'll have access to your dashboard in no time. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll need to do is navigate to your website's dashboard. This is the central hub for all your website management needs. From the dashboard, look for the Website tab and click on it. Under the drop-down options, select Edit Site. This will take you to the area where you can make changes to the structure and appearance of your site. It's essential to ensure you're editing the correct site, especially if you manage multiple sites through Weebly. Now that you're in the site editor, the next step involves a bit of interaction with your chosen section. Hover your mouse over the section you wish to delete. You'll know you're in the right place because a More Options button will appear within that section. The key here is to be patient and precise. Hover carefully until you see this button pop up, so you know you're over the exact section you want to modify. With the More Options button now visible, the next step is even more critical. Right beside it, you'll find the Delete button. Click on it. It might seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're concerned about accidentally removing important content. But don't worry. Weebly has put safety measures in place to make sure you don't remove anything you still need. That leads us to the final and perhaps most important task. Once you click the Delete button, you might see a confirmation dialog pop up on your screen. This is Weebly's way of double-checking with you to ensure that you indeed want to erase the section. It's a fail-safe, allowing you to confirm the deletion. When you're certain and ready to proceed, simply click Delete on this confirmation dialog, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a section from your Weebly site, making your website cleaner and more user-friendly without any unnecessary elements cluttering your beautiful design. Remember, cleaning up sections you no longer need can greatly help in maintaining a professional-looking site, keeping it streamlined and easy to navigate for your visitors. If you make a mistake, Weebly often provides options to restore changes, but it's always a good idea to make sure you're confident in your choices before you delete content.